going to the hibachi restaurant. It's called Sakura. So this is our table. And Cheryl is already there. Claude, Tiana. Whoa. Cheryl, you reach over here so fast. You reach over here so fast.
Staff and friends with ease, Jamaican sun lights the day. All together now, feel the family vibe. Every heart and smile, keeping love alive. We dance.
No, just a family reunion.
Vacation,
Yeah.
Any other bit?
No.
No, this
Dwayne, they're twins. But they're not identical.
No story here?
No. Dwayne, the one who won the bowling, and Dane are twins. Warren is my uncle's son. What you say? Who's the son?
protein, beef, chicken, and shrimp. Is that good?
Yes.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
When I go get your chef, okay?
Yes. We have a female chef, which is good.
Are there any allergies?
Me not hear the question. Ask the question. Return.
Sunrise on the shore, ocean chorus brings alive. Family gather once more, Malcolm hearts in overdrive. Laughter in the breeze, Odetta leads the way. Staff and friends with ease, Jamaican sun lights the day.
Two of them things to them know me. But them argument throw away. Rum and Red Bull. Heart full. Come
Ready
back.
for fried rice? Give me a yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
No. Right. They not ready.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Let me hear the yeah, man coming around. Yeah, man.
Jason, me not hear you, yeah, man. I'm too shy. No, me alright. We just want a little bit. I'm grateful. Thank you, darling. One heart, let's get together and feel alright. One love, one heart, thanks and praise to the Lord. Them a eat, man.
Simon!
Who got the keys to my baby.
Oh my.
The girl them sugar. There comes a time. I know Richie first. Let's go. Ready.
So you're not gonna work out. Alright. So people are chippy when you feel like chippy.
No, that's